Benin Republic, and it is now, I don't even know what time it is right now. Yeah, it's 2:08. Jesus. So we left, we planned to leave Lagos at 7 a.m. One of our friends kind of got late, and we left at 9 a.m. kind of like 2 hours late, but it's all good. She happens to keep on moving, and our group leader was kind enough to have all of us wait for her. So we all just like, you know what, fuck it.
Group leader.
Well, that's the group leader. We went to him and to us. Hello, leader. Biggest hair and everything to go with it. But we had to like wait, and then like we're delayed by 2 hours, and then by doing that we pretty much lost time and got into like a bit of traffic heading towards the border. But now we're in Benin Republic and weekend with the rain. We just got to Casa del Papa since most of us left Lagos. Well, we left our homes for this road trip at 6 in the morning, but then had like a 2-hour delay that made us kind of get here later than planned. But we're here right now, and let's see how this goes. Finally, we're checking into our villas, and that's my roomie over there. Hey, Benabo, doing her own video things too. So we're going to our room, and we're currently in Casa. Hello, hey Rock. How you doing, Rock? Spa Karate. Karate is shea butter, I believe. And so we're heading off to our room right now. Hey, Shola. Been here like 5 minutes. I know people already. Is my hat okay? I don't really care. But yeah, we've been drinking since early in the morning. But yeah, on our way to our room. Hey! Croissant. Pause. Croissant, you want one? Right now we're currently at Casa del Papa, and it's just been a really interesting because we're a group of 11 women. 11 women, one will come in tomorrow, but then we all booked 6 rooms overall to, you know, let us stay here comfortably. And then some people paid extra for a sea view room, some paid about less for the lagoon room. No problem. And the folks who paid extra for the sea view room had to fight. Now, one of the rooms, we've been on the case to kind of get, you know, hey, you paid for a service, you paid for a room, give us the room. Now, the hotel staff, concierge staff, is saying to us that, okay, well, you know, one of the guests left the room late, and we haven't cleaned the room. It's now almost 7 p.m. We got here like around 4 p.m. instead, and we're still yet to get this room available for us. So he's currently here trying to resolve this issue, but then he's just been non-responsive. So do you want this? We ordered for the fresh fish of the day. They brought out like the frozen, the frosted fish instead, but I'm too hungry. But then it's been a massive food issue so far. I mean, it's just not impressive. We're still in Casa del Papa and heading off to breakfast right now. And luckily for us so far, there's been someone, like it's actually not a bad weather so far, but according to the weather forecast, we should expect some rain today. So I'm just going to go out for breakfast right now and just like try to soak in as much sun. You know, everything else. Yeah, I have my red cup already because I'm here to just come sit and chill. Dinner last night was shit, so I'm hoping that at least the breakfast buffet offering with the room, that could help. 'Cause I'm so hungry. Like, I couldn't really eat my food yesterday. I just, and the mashed potato was actually really, really good, but the fish was just terrible. So I'm just gonna, hopefully we can just go to town for lunch and not be stuck with bullshit food for dinner instead. Something else to note about this spot. So we're currently in the Lagoon View villa area, whereas where I'm going to for breakfast is across, and that has the sea view. So I think half of our group split up. We've got 6 rooms overall, 3 rooms with the sea view, 3 rooms with the Lagoon View, and so the Lagoon View I find is a bit more, it's not as, it's less noisy. You don't have the constant sound of the waves, but then I really do like the wave sound too. But then, hey, I didn't really plan this trip. I just showed up and didn't really know what was happening until yesterday. So I wish I'd been a part of the whole trip from day one, and I've picked the sea view room also. Yeah. So the breakfast here is interesting because they have us pay for breakfast and for the egg. So it's meant to be bed and breakfast kind of spot, but then we only get like basic fare of food and no egg. You pay for the egg. So random. So we're off to go kayak right now. Yeah, should be fun. Should be a fun afternoon walk. It's still morning actually. So the kayak here is closed by 12 o'clock, which is weird. So from 9 a.m. to 12 o'clock we can kayak, and then that's pretty much it. And then yeah, so we're off to go kayak now and make shit happen. Should be fun. What up? We're about to go paddling. Fun guy. Hey, dude. Oh, okay. Hey! Are you now? You see yourself now? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Bien merci! It's like, okay. That's how we roll over here. I'm a Nigerian in my country. Everybody knows me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that it's true. Another one hand catches. One hand. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. One. Let's try.